Well, hi there and welcome to our look at the September night sky. First of all, we're going to look at the planets. Now, Jupiter is visible in the south as darkness falls, and it's at its highest around about 8:30 UTC, 2030 UTC at the start of the month, and by about 1845 at the end. However, even though its magnitude is around about minus 2.5, it's only going to be about 16 degrees above the horizon, so it's not going to be best visible this month, but you can see it early evening. On September the 12th, Jupiter will be ending its westward retrograde movement and it will start to go eastwards again. And if you're interested in looking at the Great Red Spot through binoculars or a telescope, the best days are the 8th, round about 2248, the 11th, about 2018, the 13th, about 2157, the 20th, about 2044, the 25th, about 2153, and the 30th, around about 2103. Now, Saturn is following Jupiter into the sky, about 8 degrees behind it, and it enters the sky, therefore, around about 2118 UTC at the start of the month, and about 1919 by the end. Again, it's very low in the sky, sitting in the borders between Sagittarius and Capricorn. So it's still not brilliant to see, but it is visible in the early evening skies. Its magnitude is round about plus 0.4. Mars, it's entering its first 2 good months because it's closest to Earth in October. Sitting in Pisces, Mars could be seen in the southeast at the start of the month, about 2045, and about 1845 by the end of the month. Venus dominates the pre-dawn sky, rising about 3.5 hours before sunrise, and it will be the dominant morning constellation throughout the autumn and into early winter. In terms of stars, now is the time the autumn stars begin to take over from the summer ones. The classic dominant autumn constellation, in my opinion, is Pegasus, the two-legged upside-down flying horse which will be with us from now through till Christmas. But the whole Andromeda story is in the sky. Cassiopeia, the Ethiopian queen, whose boastfulness about the beauty of her daughter Andromeda caused the wrath of the gods. And her father, King Cepheus, who chained her to a rock for the sea monster Cetus to eat, only to be saved by our hero Perseus with the head of Medusa, the last Gorgon. The great Andromeda galaxy is visible, M31, the closest galaxy to the Milky Way, lying at about 2.5 million light years. As long as you're in a nice dark sky location, you can see it as a very faint fuzzy patch of light, and it's quite an easy binocular object to see. The full moon is early in the month, around about the 2nd, so by the time you're listening to this it will have gone past us, and the new moon is on the 17th, which really means September is going to be a really good sky for dark skies throughout most of the month. And of course on the 22nd, it's the time of the equinox. Precisely at 13:30 UTC, the sun will shine directly on the equator, and there will be equal amounts of day and night throughout the world. Well, I do hope you enjoyed that little look at the September sky, and you do get dark skies and a chance to see them, because September is a great month for astronomy. It's getting dark earlier now, but it's still nice and warm, and we often get clear skies at night in September. So I hope you do clear skies. Take care, and speak to you next month. Bye for now.